How's my acting, sir?
Uncanny. You ready for the close-up?
Hello. Have you ever wondered how to make your very own AI generated character or how to interact with AI generated characters from other users? Well, you're in the right place. Continue watching this video. This is JTechie. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment. Without further ado, let's get started. Today I came across Talkie AI, and Talkie AI allows you to create your own AI generated character. And so let's see how this works today. And well, as you can see, I have made a username on this platform, and you're presented with a screen that looks like this, where you're presented with different AI characters that you can chat with, or you can make your own. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to make your own. So how to make your own, you would go to the top left where it says create a Talkie. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And so it shows the Talkies that you already created, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new Talkie for this video by hitting this button at the top right here to create a new Talkie. Alright, and now I'm going to go through the process of creating this Talkie. So the first thing it wants me to do is make a name for it, and actually I'm going to go ahead and fill these things out and come back to you guys when I'm finished. Alright, I'm back. What I did is I hit the AI writer, and it generated the scenario for the settings, the intro, and the opening. However, on this Talkie AI, it forgets what it puts in the settings and makes a different scenario in the other two, the opening and the intro. So I went ahead and used this, what's in the settings, and told ChatGPT to make me an intro and opening related to the settings up here. So I wish that was automatically already done by Talkie itself, but that's how I had to do it. And let me go through this really quickly. So for the settings, it says Luna's past is introduced in mystery, with only fragments of information available. Rumors abound that Luna once worked as a top-level operative for one of the powerful megacorps before turning rogue. A tale that Luna neither confirms nor denies. What is known is that Luna has a network of informants and allies scattered across Neon Haven, each one a key piece in the intricate web of operation that Luna orchestrates with deft and skill, unwavering resolve. So sounds like she's an informant, spy, operative. Luna is a ghost in the system, a name whispered in back alley data markets. Her past is classified, corrupted, or buried on purpose, depending on who you ask. Some say she was once a top-level operative for a megacorp, the kind that erases people from fun. Others claim she turned rogue after learning something she wasn't supposed to. Luna doesn't confirm rumors, she doesn't deny them either. What is known, she runs a tight network of informants and allies across Neon Haven, pulling strings from the shadows with calm precision and a quiet kind of danger. Okay, so that kind of just continues the narrative there. And then this one says, connection established. You are either lost or you are exactly where you're meant to be. Name's Luna. Neon Haven doesn't reward the honest, it rewards the prepared. I've got eyes in places you wouldn't believe and friends who don't exist on any official record. So tell me, are you here for information, protection, or a way out? Alright, so we got our fictional character scenarios here. And alright, so the next thing to do is you can go to the skill section here, and then once you click on this, you can, well, this particular skill is painting, and you can add a skill here, and you can't add these yet since they're coming soon, singing and web search, but you can add the painting one where it should be able to generate images based on scene settings and conversational context. Okay, and then I went ahead and turned that to on, but on my test earlier, I haven't gotten the actual character to generate an actual image for me. But anyway, another trick I'm going to do is I'm going to, on this side panel, it has the preview where you can talk to your AI character, and so they want an image on what the Talkie looks like basically, but I'm going to tell the Talkie to describe what it looks like so I can gather that description and make a picture, because once you hit this, it will take you to a whole new screen. So let me go ahead and engage with the Talkie, and I'm going to say hi. And they said hi there. Alright, and I'm gonna say, who are you? And I'm gonna say, who are you? Just to kind of start the conversation. So, I'm Luna, I'm a fixer and information broker. I'm the person you go to when you need to get something done in the city. I have connections with all of the major players, from the megacorps to the street gangs. I can get you whatever you need as long as you're willing to pay the price. Okay? And I'm gonna tell her, please describe in detail what you look like and what you are wearing in detail. Okay, so please describe in detail what you look like. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to take this description, and then I'm going to hit add image to make your Talkie image. And so I'm gonna say generate, start your first image generation. Okay, so it took me to a prompt to generate the image, so I'm gonna paste that there, and so I'm gonna just say that. So, a tall, lean woman with short, dark hair and piercing green eyes. I'm wearing a leather jacket, a black shirt, and tight jeans. My jacket has a few patches on it, and I have a pair of combat boots on. I also have a few tattoos, including one on my right arm. So, a tall lean woman, and I don't have the I'm wearing a leather jacket. My jacket has, I can say the jacket instead of my jacket. And on it, and it, and a, and she has a pair of combat boots on. Also, she has a few tattoos, including a large one on her right arm. Okay, so I'm gonna hit generate on this, and it's generating. And I'm going to pick which one I think is best. Okay, so I'm looking at these now, and I'm gonna say the most eye-catching one is this one. I like this one. I'll go ahead and use image. Alright, so that's how you choose the image for her. So there's one for the avatar and another for the background. So I'll do that for the avatar and that for the background. Then confirm. Alright, so there's the background image, and then I'm going to choose the voice. So some kind of female voice. Let's go ahead and let's say calm woman. Let's see.
Hi there. Do you want to chat with me today?
Sure. I'll use that voice. Okay, since we have set the voice and everything, and what's left is to save. And I'm going to go ahead and publish this. So we saved and we published. And alright, so it takes us to the review section, and it will be under a review for a few moments. It should be published in a few moments. Alright, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I went back to the Talkie homepage by clicking Talkie on the top left here, and then now I want to try out my new Talkie. So in order to do that, I actually go down here to the profile, to my profile, and then I click that icon, and then I go to the word that says profile in the menu there, and now I see my Talkies here. I'm going to go ahead and try Luna. So I click on Luna.
Connection established. You're either lost or you're exactly where you meant to be. Name's Luna. Neon Haven doesn't reward the honest. It rewards the prepared. I've got eyes in places you wouldn't believe, and friends who don't exist on any official record. So tell me, are you here for information, protection, or a way out?
Okay, so it connected the voice to it, And I'm going to go ahead and chat. So I'm going to say, how are you doing today?
I'm doing. Now, was that question related to the reason you came here?
That's an interesting response. I'm gonna say, well, just making small talk.
Small talk is a luxury we can't afford in Neon Haven. It makes people predictable, and that's how they get hurt.
So I'm gonna say, well, I'm here for information.
Information isn't free. What do you have to offer in return?
What do I have to offer? My kind. Well, my friendship. My friend. And any. Actually, I'm going to say how much for information on why you left the Mega Corp. So, how much for information on why you left the Mega Corp?
That's not a question of cost. That's a question of whether you have the right to ask it. Try again.
Well, I am the police chief. So, and I can ask it.
The police chief. And you think that title means something to me? Try again. This time, with something I care about.
Alright, well, it's just kind of chatting here, and so this is the extent of what the program can do, and it's interesting. If you want to create your own little character or test out others' characters, you can go ahead and do that. And again, that's Talkie AI.com. And alright, well, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. This is JTechie. Comment on this video, like this video, and also, as always, peace.